Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you guys how to remove this wheel lock without the key station. I do have this tool set, and I believe we're using 21 millimeter and an extension. What we're gonna do here is put this one in, then just tap the pin, and go grab your tool, put it in, and hope for the best. Woohoo! It's right there, guys. It's pretty solid. There we go. One down. Two down. See. And I think it's in there. There we go. Right. Okay guys, so this is a great tool, and they are Cornwell. You can go ahead and buy something similar, which is Sonex. It's a lot cheaper, I believe. But yeah, if you preferred Cornwell, here is the part number, I think. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.